Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. Your buddy Tim back with another home tour. And man, do I have a nice one to show you on this video. I am at 214 Briarcrest Road in the area known as Hazel Green. Now, if you watch these videos a lot, you've heard me talk about Hazel Green before. It is being called the new Madison. And it's because of all the growth that's taking place out here, all the new developments. We've got new schools going in, a lot of new businesses. This end of town is really one of, if not the fastest growing parts of North Alabama. And it is incredibly popular with young families and folks that are looking to be out in the country a little bit, but to have all of the amenities of the city. And that's where we are, as I said, in Hazel Green. We are just 5 minutes literally from what we call the Parkway here. Lots of restaurants, lots of shopping. If you want to go into Huntsville proper, it's about 15 minutes to the south. So a very convenient area. And again, it is being called the new Madison because this is the boom in population. So let me tell you a little bit about the house itself. It is a gorgeous house. The curb appeal of this house is just beautiful. It is a two-story. We've got just over 2,000 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and you can see, I'm gonna give you a formal tour, but it is really well laid out. It's got the open concept floor plan with the living room, eat-in dining room here, and kitchen all right here together. And I really like the open floor plan, especially for families with smaller kids. So again, I keep talking about mom and dad being in the kitchen, usually mom, and the kids being right there where you can see them. This is also on a huge lot. You've got almost half an acre here. Getting a half acre in a formal subdivision in North Alabama, it's a unicorn. There just aren't that many. And it is a really flat lot. Bermuda sod. It's got privacy fencing. Let me just read you the description here. Enjoy the sunset from this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2-story home in the Evergreen subdivision on almost half an acre, flat lot with a privacy fence backyard. Let's see, on the main level, it is a 2-story. On the main level, we've got hardwoods, we've got a half bath, a laundry room off the garage. The master bedroom, master bath walk-in is on the first floor. And then, of course, the kitchen, like I said, the kitchen's beautiful. I really like these cabinets. They are painted black. And I like that. I really like cabinets that are not wood. Well, they're wood, but they're painted. So I really like the layout here. The black cabinets, the granite, everything just fits beautifully. The home was built in 2014 and it is literally walk-in, good to go. It is gorgeous. So I'm going to give you a tour now. Again, 214 Briarcrest Road here in Hazel Green. The price on this house, $309,999. $309,000. That's probably, if I were to wager a guess, $20,000 below market. So we're seeing a shift here in our market in North Alabama. We are seeing homes prices come down a little bit, and I got to tell you, at 309, this is a deal. So, all right, guys, enough of me talking. Let's go and take a tour. All right, guys, as we always do, we're going to start our tour here at the front door, and this is a 2-story. So when you come in, we do have the stairway here to the right, but check this out. It opens up into a really nice open floor plan. We've got the dark hardwoods. We've got the agreeable gray paint and just a really nice area here. Again, we've got about 2,000 square feet here. A lot of it is bedroom, but this is a nice open area here. Opens up into the dining area, into the kitchen. And we will go this way while we're here. All right, and then you've got tile in the, what we call the wet areas, the kitchen. But you can take a look at this kitchen. I really like these cabinets. I am a fan of painted cabinets. These painted cabinets are painted black. Does have the granite. Appliances look really good. Tile floor. And again, with the open floor plan, you can be in the kitchen while the family plays here. I want to give you take a look outside. We'll go do, we'll shoot some footage out there in just a minute, but what a nice lot. And of course, they've got little ones, so all the playthings are out there, but we'll do some video of that backyard. So the master bedroom is down. So if we go through the hallway here, And really quick, coming off of that is the garage, and then we've got a laundry area here. Open that up for you. All right, so nice laundry area tucked away there. It's got a wooden shelf on top, very handy for folding and that sort of thing. Yes, I do know about folding clothes, ladies. I actually have to do my own wash. I'm not quite sure why. So, all right, so we got about a little half bath right here. Garage is there. But then this is one thing I do like. The master is down. It is isolated. And if you've got kids, mom and dad, you know that it's always nice to have the master a little secluded for certain things. But a lot of designer touches in this house. I really like the wall there, the accent wall. Good sized bedroom and large walk-in closet there. And opens up into a nice bathroom here. Got the double vanity. Got the high vanity. I like that. Back in the old houses, the vanities were always very short. So nice size master here. You've got the shower here. And then you've got a soaker tub there. I like the tile. All right, so a nice master suite. And again, the master suite is isolated downstairs. And again, I like that. It gives mom and dad a little bit of privacy in a world where privacy is hard to find. So, all right, so let's go upstairs. We have another 3 bedrooms upstairs, as well as I think 2 additional bathrooms. So let's go on up. Baby gates. We have those all over my house, but we call them dog gates. All right. All right, cool. You've got a bonus area here at the top of the stairs. Really good size. See, they've got a large couch in there. Got the deer on the wall. Where's the rest of that deer? All right. You see a lot of deer heads down here, guys. It is Alabama. And it's got an accent wall, and I think that's chalk paint. And I like this because they very clearly they have kids, and they've made the home a place for their kids to have fun and grow. I think that's really cool. So you got a large bonus area here. We have a full bath. All right, and here is bedroom number 1, which they are using as a nursery. Nice. Carpet looks good. Paint looks good. I have these same pictures, I think, at my daughter's house for my kids, grandkids. So, all right, so we've got 2 more bedrooms. All right, this is the largest, I believe. This is really big. Well, I like this. It's got a shiplap accent wall, which is pretty cool. It's kind of painted a blue. Good size. And again, one thing about this area, Hazel Green, even though it is growing like crazy, very quiet, very country. You're going to see a lot of trees. You're going to see a lot of hills. You're not going to hear a lot of traffic, which I think is amazing. I live in Madison. I hear every car that goes down the road. So, all right, bedroom number 3. Looks like they're using this as an office. All right. And again, the carpet looks good. Paint looks good. They've taken really good care of the house. Give you a view of the backyard here. Need some grass seed back there, but that grows quickly. All right. So a really, really nice house. Like I said, it's just, I think, over 2,000 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Isolated master down. So, all right, let's go back downstairs and we will do a wrap up. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I told you it's a gorgeous house. So let's recap. We are at 214 Briarcrest Road again in an area known as Hazel Green. Hazel Green is north of the city, about 15 minutes, being called the New Madison. And it's very important if you're from here because Madison has been the desired bedroom community, the suburb of the city of Huntsville for many, many years. Well, now that the city of Madison literally is full, it is landlocked. You can't buy a house out there as easily as you can elsewhere. Areas like Hazel Green, Meridianville, especially areas north of the city, are our high growth areas. And this is where we are seeing more new construction than anywhere else in the city. It is happening north right here in Hazel Green. And of course, as development continues on, there's going to be more restaurants, more shopping. Right now, we're probably 10 minutes away from the highway, from the parkway here, and you're going to find all the restaurants, the shopping, schools are close by. You are out in the country, but you're not so far out in the country that you don't have access to very quick shopping, restaurants, that sort of thing. So give you a quick recap. We've got just over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Open floor plan. The house is in great shape, really good. You've got hardwoods downstairs. You got the custom cabinetry here with the appliances, granite countertops. You've got the eat-in kitchen area there. Got an isolated master. And again, I keep saying this, having an isolated master as the kids get older, it's the way to go. You know what I'm talking about, Mom and Dad. So the isolated master is down, got a beautiful master suite, again with the tall double vanity. It's got the shower and the separate soaker tub. Upstairs, we've got that really good bonus area. Makes a great playroom, makes a great family area. There are also 3 bedrooms upstairs and another 2 full baths. So a great house at a great price. This house right now is priced at $309,999. It's right on the money. And there's a bonus here because the owners here, the sellers, are willing to contribute up to $5,000 in closing costs or point buy down assistance. Now, I just did a video on how buying down points can literally save you tens of thousands of dollars. On a house at $309,000, after you put down, let's say your 20%, we're going to be somewhere around $240,000. So putting down $5,000 to buy down points could get you down as much as a full half point in your interest rate, and that can reduce your house payment dramatically. And so that is just one of the things the sellers of this home are willing to do for the buyers. We'll get a full price offer. They will contribute back to help you buy down points. And that is very important given the market that we're in. So, all right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, don't forget, if you like what we do on the channel, click that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, click the little bell notification icon. And if you are interested in this home, my contact information is below. I would be more than happy to put you in touch with Regina Wilcox, who is our agent on this home. And don't forget, we've got Revolved Realty here. 90 agents now, boots on the ground, ready to go to work for you. And I got to tell you guys, I am amazed at the amount of folks that we are meeting off this YouTube channel. There is not a day goes by that I don't get an email or a phone call from someone looking to relocate here, and they want our help to help them find the perfect home. We also get a lot of calls from folks who live here right now who want our help in listing and selling. So if that is you, feel free to give me a call. My number is below. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a fantastic house. You do not want to let this one slip by. Again, 214 Briarcrest Road. The price is $309,999, and you better hurry because at that price, this home will go quickly. So that's it, guys. Get out, make it a great day. I hope to talk to you soon. Bye.